Welcome to our instructional video on solving the quadratic equation x squared minus 6x plus 9. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of solving this equation. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Step 1 involves recognizing that the given quadratic expression is a perfect square trinomial. We start with x squared minus 6x plus 9. Notice that the first term, x squared, and the last term, 9, are both perfect squares. Also, observe that the middle term, minus 6x, is twice the product of the square root of x squared, which is x, and the square root of 9, which is 3. This indicates that the quadratic expression can be factored as a binomial squared. Specifically, x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to the quantity x minus 3 squared. Step 2 involves rewriting the binomial square as a single term. From step 1, we have determined that the quadratic expression x squared minus 6x plus 9 can be written as the quantity x minus 3 squared. Now, we express this in a simplified form. Since squaring a binomial means multiplying the binomial by itself, the simplified form of the original quadratic expression is x minus 3 times x minus 3. This step confirms that x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equivalent to x minus 3 times x minus 3. By expressing the quadratic equation in this factored form, we can more easily analyze or solve it as needed. This is the final step in solving the given problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.